Yes, we're talking about spicy coffee, the act of adding spices to your coffee grounds. This delicious way of brewing coffee has been around for decades, yet it feels like a hidden gem. The first cup of spicy coffee is a memory that will stick with you because of its fantastic flavor and wellness benefits. All you need is your beans and a few delicious and healthy spices like cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and cacao, and you're set. Further down, you can read exciting info about healthy spices and how they benefit you. We recommend using whole beans because they have more aroma, providing a more flavorful base to your spicy coffee. But ground coffee works just as fine. The result is a fun, fragrant, and flavorful cup of coffee you can serve at any time. It's perfect as your morning cup for a special occasion, to go along with a delightful pastry, or simply as a pick-me-up whenever you need one. The Chemex, French press, or automatic drip works perfectly for the occasion. Second, pick the spice you want to try. The rule of thumb is 1 or 2 a teaspoon of ground spices per 6 cups of coffee. We found this quite strong, especially when we added oat milk. Therefore, we recommend starting with 1/4 of a teaspoon per 6 cups of coffee and adjusting the measurements until you find your preference. The 2 ways of adding your spices before brewing. The first way is to add whole spices, not ground, to your grinder along with your whole beans. This method will give you a more fragrant and aromatic cup of coffee, but be warned, it will cause your grinder to hold on to your spice's flavor and potentially infuse your next cup as well. The second way of adding your spices is to sprinkle pre-ground spices onto your coffee grounds before you start to brew. Add a pinch of salt to balance out some bitterness, or don't if you usually enjoy it. What beans to pick? It comes down to your preference of roast and origin, but we would recommend flavorful beans as what we're brewing is spicy coffee. Our spiciest and most flavorful humble maker beans are the light roast Ethiopia Sidamo with notes of milk chocolate, caramel, and blueberry. The medium roast Uganda Sippy Falls with notes of lemon, apple, and caramel. The dark roast Eldorado Espresso with notes of cacao, caramel, and cherry. Or simply check out all beans and pick your favorite. You can get all of our premium beans as grounds or whole beans, and we guarantee they always arrive freshly roasted. Spicy coffee without the work? Are you not into brewing spicy coffee yourself but still want to get the wellness benefits and the delicious flavor? Humble Maker Cold Brew Wellness Shots to the rescue. It's not a coincidence we've added cinnamon, cacao, cardamom, clove, and other healthy spices to our cold brew shots. It's the perfect mix of flavors, but also for the wellness aspect. The cold brews are also infused with vitamins and minerals for your enhancement and a natural wellness boost. With 0 sugar and 0 calories, they come in 4 delicious flavors and are all brewed on premium organic beans and spices. Why healthy spices are a game changer? There are several healthy spices, but let's zero in on the ones suitable to pair with coffee. They're delicious and can easily be added to your daily life, and the health benefits are impressive and many. Take a look below and get your mind blown. Cinnamon. It's derived from the inner bark of a small evergreen tree and laid in the sun to dry, where it curls into the well-known cinnamon stick rolls. The health benefits are many. It's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and cardiovascular disease lowering. Cinnamon has also been reported to have activities against neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. Cardamom. It comes from the seeds of different plants that belong to the same family as ginger. It's also a spice people have used for centuries, both in cooking and as medicine. Cardamom can help protect against heart attacks and has antioxidant activities to improve heart function. It can also help liver function and reduce inflammation. Containing natural phytochemicals, it may be able to help fight cancer and has been shown to reduce skin tumors in rats. Cloves. They are the dried flowers of the clove tree and are often used in foods and beverages. The compounds in cloves may reduce cancer cell growth and promote cancer cell death. They're also high in antioxidants. It's rich in antioxidants and may help prevent cellular damage and protect against free radicals. Nutmeg may also reduce chronic inflammation, improve heart health, and boost your mood. Cacao. Cocoa powder is made by crushing cocoa beans and removing the cocoa butter. It's famous for its role in chocolate and is believed to be used by the Maya civilization first. Its benefits include reduced blood pressure and increased vascular benefits, and helps improve mental performance and brain function. Cacao can also help stabilize your mood and reduce your risk of diabetes. Last but not least, cocoa may reduce the risk of cancer. function. Cacao can also help stabilize your mood and reduce your risk of diabetes. Last but not least, cocoa may reduce the risk of cancer. Studies using cocoa extracts have seen positive results in reducing breast, pancreatic, prostate, liver. Fruity delight in your next cup of joe. Fruity delight in your next cup of joe. Fruity delight in your next cup of joe.